Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day for us.
Another one.
Because I have got DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Are you guys really excited to see what's inside the box and its special features? Let's go guys. Yeah. Wow, first impression, the box is really premium and it smells so good. Let's go inside. Let me start. It's really awesome. It's really great. Okay, let's open guys, let's open. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, so we have a manual here. Let's see. Oh, we have balls. Okay, nice. Okay, and we have manual here. This is for newbie. Yeah. You can use it if you like, but I don't care. It's a nice pause. Not bad. And we have got one USB to Type-C charger. That's all. That's all. Okay. Okay, so here is the best part. That is what we are waiting for, guys. Let's go. Here it is. Yay! It's really small and it's really nice. Let's open it, guys. Why not, right? Yay! Here we go. See how they have managed it. It's really intelligent. And let's open this one. We have extended tripod here. Oh, it's nice. It's really lightweight. I like it. Easy high. We have a magnetic clamp here. Yeah, it's really awesome. Let's open it, guys. Yay. Yeah, it's nice. It's powered on. Full battery. Okay, not bad. And here we have a magnetic clamp. It's really strong. I need to
Stop it. Get some help.
It's really strong. Here we have a pin. So we need to match it with this gap here. Let's do it. Yay! We did it. I need to activate it first so that I can use it. We have power grip here, guys. It's a kind of extender. Let's use it. Okay, now I need to set it up with my DJI MIMO app. So I just connected my phone with Gimbal. Now let me add my phone. It's nice. Phone camera direction. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure. I think it's still not set up. Let me set it up again. So I need to update the firmware, so doing it right now, and I can use it after that. I'm updating it. Once finished, we're ready to go. Yeah, done guys. The update is complete and it's working now. It's working now finally. Let's record video. Press the shutter button. Okay, I'm recording the video. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, see. It's really awesome, right? See? My battery's down on my Mac. It's nice. I'm going with tutorial now. It says tap the record button again to stop recording. Okay. Yeah. I'm learning it, guys. I'm learning it. I'm new here. Let's recenter the gimbal. Okay, that's done. Here is a button for recentering. next? What next? I'm waiting for the next one. So it's really useful. So you can change the direction from here with this small joystick, and if you want to recenter, just click this button on the back side. Let's try the active tracking. Select the subject to track. Okay, let's do active tracking. I want to track this camera here. Yes, done. Okay, now I can change shooting modes from here. Press switch button 3 times to switch to photo mode. Okay, press switch button 3 times. With this switch button. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, I did that. Now camera is on photo mode. Press switch button 3 times to switch to photo and video. Okay. Now I'm in video mode. Yeah. It's really nice, guys. Phone unbalanced. Okay. Phone unbalanced and may vibrate when shooting. Adjust phone until center of gravity is close to the center of phone holder. Try tapping the shutter button to take a photo. Okay, let's take a photo. Yes. Done. Perfect, guys. So I am professional gimbal user now. So it's a lot of tutorial here. You guys can have a look while setting it up. I'm not going to read it because I don't know what it does and everything. Yeah, it's nice, guys. Let me record video. Let me record a video, guys. Okay, let's start. Fine, guys. So, yeah, landscape mode. Let's go for portrait. Yeah, portrait is done. Let's change the direction. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's really smooth. It's smooth. It's worth it, I think. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, guys, I am taking my selfie, and yeah, it's stable, nice. Yeah. Okay, let me action it. It's really strong, it's really hard. Yay! Yay! I'm doing active tracking. So it's tracking me now. It's really nice. Yay! Done.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more.
Okay, guys, now it's time for the final review. The gimbal is really handy, it's really stable, and the best part is all the buttons here. You have control over zoom, focus, the trigger button here is awesome. You have mode button here, mode, record, switch between photos and videos, and the joystick. It's really awesome. It's really lightweight and handy. The best part is this extension rod here. It's inbuilt extension rod and it's really strong. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, it's really good. And the best part I like so far is active tracking 6.0. And that's really important if you are shooting yourself and using front camera. So you can always track yourself wherever you are going. And this extension tripod is also fine. I'm not a big fan of it, but It's fine. It's fine. It can be a handy grip, or you can even use it as a tripod. So yeah, overall it's nice for the price. And if you need anything for the video editing and anything, the app is really awesome. MIMO app is awesome. It has all the AI tools, templates, and you can make the perfect video you want. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel to travel together with Sabin Pro. Have a great time guys. Happy filming, happy shooting. Yeah.